Alright guys, in this video I'm going to talk about an add-on that you can offer with your Matterport models, which are schematic floor plans. So what is a schematic floor plan? It is a flat floor plan that gives your potential buyers all the dimensions of all the rooms and living spaces in a particular property. It's a great way for potential buyers to know if their furniture will fit in a particular room or not. As long as you shoot your Matterport models with a Matterport specific camera, you can offer these to your customers. From our experience, the schematic floor plan add-on is ordered on 25 to 30% of our Matterport orders. Now the process for requesting a schematic floor plan is very simple. Once your model is uploaded to the Matterport system and has finished processing, you will see the option to add a schematic floor plan. Now depending on the plan that you have with Matterport, your cost is going to vary. We currently pay $14.99 per floor plan and we charge our customers $36. So feel free to add margin as you see fit for your business. The schematic floor plan is a great way to offer a high quality floor plan with little to no additional effort on your end, as long as you're shooting your Matterport models with the Matterport camera. It's a quick add-on that doesn't take much more time on your end, but can deliver a massive amount of value to your customers. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.